And I'd like to come back to another really important point that we did write an article in The Spectator, and it was in the New York Times on the weekend as well. And with a PCR test, you basically amplify the amount of RNA. You'd put it exponentially double that amount of DNA. And that's called the cycle threshold. And the less virus you start out with. And this is important because you can basically pick up a single copy of RNA in an individual. There is a complete difference between you being infectious, which is about 7 days. For about day 8, you cannot find infectious people, apart from the few people who end up on ID are worsening. We have found RNA shedding because the RNA is only 20 base pairs long, and it takes much longer to read the RNA. So when you're picking up asymptomatic people, you have no idea if they have active infection or did they have it 2 months ago, this RNA. And it's the same for all viruses. Now you can put it which says you are infectious, which is a cycle threshold of about 25. And if you do that, you can pick up the people who are infectious. But the way we're deploying the element is in a sort of ragbag way that says, whatever. I wrote this about 2 or 3 times in the Spectator and kept moving forward this, but it's now on the radar because there are 25 studies that have now looked at this and 10 have come in light. So this idea is becoming more important.